Yep, I am making a breakfast. Pancake, dessert, cake, anything, name it. I got some egg. Gonna crack it. Crack-a-doo. I'm working on that. Yeah, I'm working on my technique. That's my technique. Oh yeah. It takes $1 billion to do this well. Oh yeah. Got some milk. Straight up measuring with my eyes. And blah 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 blah. There is sugar, baking powder. There is ginger for flavor. I'm keeping the flavor in, you know it. There is eggs, tres, uno, dos, tres. Just for a little protein. I hope it's eaten. I want to try this machine. I don't usually like it for my baking. Let's try it. Happy it is working pretty well. Yeah. Test. You have to test it, otherwise it won't be edible. I like the taste, not too sweet. However, I prefer a little more sugar. Let's do it. Okay, that's enough sugar for today. Should I stir it? Perhaps. Oh, it is splashing on me. All right, that's about it. My oven is on at that high. It's preheat. I'll probably turn it down, and then we'll put it in my oven and wait. Voila, bye-bye. Well, that is very roasted, yo. We need to find out if it's ready. My blueberry did the magic. Oh, yo, it is actually ready. This should be smooth. Somebody taught me this. Well, it's funny that a man knows how to bake, and I learned from a man. But it looks good, and yep, voila. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then see what happens with the knife. Oh man, flavor. Those are bloody blue. They are.